everyone, thanks for stopping by today to see what I am up to. And today I have my EarFleek, and this will be for March 2020, or is this one for March 2020? One of these is March, and one of these is the replacement for February, which came damaged. So I'm just going to open and we'll see which one is which. For those that don't know, EarFleek is $3.49 a month. You receive one pair of earrings. They're 100% nickel free, and you get to choose your style, and then it comes in this cute little packaging inside the envelope. Silly and fun, minimalist but groovy, and that's what I choose. Boho Babe, or I don't give a hoot, and then they will choose for you. So we'll just open this one. So I don't know if I'll know which one is the replacement unless they're the same exact ones for replacement that were broke last month. These are so difficult to open for me. If you have weak hands, bubble mailers are great, but they're horrible to open. Try to get the glue. I mean, you can just see how this glue is really holds it together. So let's see what these are. We'll have no idea. These are cute though. And they've been sending little gift cards. If anybody's interested, I can get you the code. You can either send me a message or DM me on Instagram, and I will give it to you, and that gets you, I think, a free, when you join, gets you a free pair of earrings. So let's see what these look like. So these are cute little blue, like almost like that Tiffany blue, that turquoise blue hearts with a little, let me just see the stone is flat looking, and these are little shepherd's hooks. They always put the earring ends on this little rubberized piece right there so that it holds it. So we will pop these on this little thing here. I think they'll show up much better if they're here. Of course, I can't see where the holes are. Let me see if you can get a better idea of what they look like. So that's what this pair looks like. Very, very pretty. That has some movement. And then the shepherd's hook that goes in your ear is gold, which, you know, from here, that doesn't bother me. They're really pretty. I like that color blue. And they're surrounded nicely by little, almost like little balls to trim out around the edge. They're really cute. So I'm happy with those. For $3.49, you can't complain. So now I'm going to open the second one. One of these is the replacement. And of course, unless it's the same exact, I'm not going to know which one's the replacement and which one is the current month. So this is definitely March, and then the replacement for February. I would love if they sent me the same ones because they were so cute, but I don't know if they will. Let's get this open and see what we have here. Once again, they sent the gift card. Oh no, they sent completely different. So like I said, I won't know which one is March and which one is the replacement. And these are really cute also. And these say love, very similar to the ones I just showed you, but these are just all silver with the cutout and the word love. So let me remove these from here. Cute. Very, very cute. Still shepherd hook style. Oh, I like those. This almost has like a, the design on these almost reminds me of like the stitching around a baseball around, oops, where'd that go? Something just fell on the floor. Great for my dog to get. Oh, got it. These little rubber things, I'm so careful with them. So afraid that she'll get it. These are really, really cute. I really like those too. So I am happy with whatever pair is the replacement and whatever pair is the pair for March. Very happy. And for $3.49, like I said, I'm not going to complain. The 2 times that I've had damaged earrings, they have replaced them. I wish they would replace them with the ones that they sent, so that I can get these same exact ones. And they should be able to, but I understand them not being able to. But, I'm not going to complain. If I was paying more than $3.49, I might complain a little bit louder. But since $3.49, I'm really not going to complain all that much. So that is my EarFleek for March 2020. and the replacement for February. And I actually love both of these pairs, actually more than the pair that I originally was sent. And these I both will wear all summer long and into the winter months and fall months, definitely. And I'm happy with these. So I will leave all their information in the description box. And I have, like I said, codes on the back of the cards that I can, you know, peel off and give you the code if you would like to join. I do believe you get a pair of earrings for free. I'm not really sure, but now I have 2 of the gift cards. So basically first come, first served. You want to try it out for yourself and see if you like it for $3.49. Just, you know, shoot me a message on Instagram, or probably that's the best place to reach me. I don't ever film on Sunday, and today is Sunday, so I'm pretty much not going to be on YouTube, and I wasn't yesterday either or today, doing some downloading of some files off my computer. So it's pretty much been tied up all weekend. I've been trying to answer some comments via my phone, which I generally don't do either. So this weekend is the exception all over the place. So if, and I'm on Instagram all the time on my phone. So if anybody is interested, it's easier to catch me there. And like I said, first come, first serve. So thank you so much for watching, and stick until the end. And I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. And I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.